friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Sarah. So in today's video we're going to look into a really good accessory that you can wear during the winter season, which is a very nice blanket scarf. Blanket scarves are really good at keeping yourself warm in the winter, as well as a really nice style statement too. So today I'm going to be showing you a few styles that you can try during this winter season. This is my blanket scarf. I picked this up from Amazon. I will link that particular product down below. They come in various sizes and colors. Mine is the regular square blanket scarf that you can work with. You can use these styles for the thin scarves as well, the ones that you style up Hey my friends, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, because it's the winter season and scarves usually change up the entire look. So I hope you have a very wonderful day wherever you are, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you again soon with another video. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.